We are pleased to show you the 2020 Silverado 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, fog lamps, inside you'll find steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, power outlet, floor mats. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.